So good evening, welcome to Sakalavidya educational channel. So welcome to the BITSAT top 30 important questions session. Okay, it will be useful for other competitive entrance examinations also. DSC mathematics and also PGT, TGT also very useful. Okay, let us start the first question now. So first question. See, this is the first question. Let me read. If n of a is equal to an such that n belongs to n, this is n of b intersection n of c is equal to n of d, where a comma b comma c comma d belongs to natural numbers, b comma c are relatively prime, then what is the relation between d and d, b and c we need to find out. So let me write clearly here. C n of b is equal to the set of multiples of b, So n of c is equal to the set of multiples of c. Now n of d is equal to, that is n of b intersection n of c. This is equal to the set of multiples of common multiples of both n of b and n of c, common multiples of b and c. Here see, b and c are relatively prime. So that means the set of multiples of LCM of b and c. Since b and c are relatively prime, LCM becomes product of the numbers b into c, bc. So that is bc. So now this we can write n of d equals to n of bc, you can write. So therefore d equals to bc. So this is our answer. So B is the right option. B is the right option. So let us move to the second question now. Second question. See, second question. Let B be a subset of a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on n, such that 1 and 2 are elements in B, but 3 and 4 are not. If there are 128 such subsets in B, then what is the value of n? B is the subset of the set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on n, such that 1 and 2 are elements in B. 1, 2 are elements in B, but 3 and 4 are not. 3, 4 are not. So there are total number of 128 subsets in B. So what is the value of n? So now actually here see, 3 and 4 have been deleted in from set A, then it becomes the subset B. So that means actually here, first of all write down n of b, number of elements in B is equal to, so n of A minus 2. N of A means n, so n minus 2. So total number of subsets of B, means 2 to the power of n minus 2 is equal to 128. This 128 is equal to, what do you write now? That is equal to 2 to the power of 5, 32. 2 to the power of 6, 64, 2 to the power of 7. So now n minus 2 is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. So answer is 9. So there are 9 elements. So value of n, there are 9 elements in the set B, because 3 and 4 are not. That means 3 and 4 have been eliminated now. Understood now? So that makes 2 to the power of n minus 2 is equal to 128. So n minus 2 is equal to 7, n is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, let us move to next third question now. So third question. See, this is third question. The value of, let me write here once again, the value of limit extends to 0, integral 0 to x square, so cos of t square, so dt upon x sin x. So now if you substitute the limit, what will happen? Let us see. If you substitute the limit, what will happen now? So 0 to 0, it becomes 0 by 0 into something 0 by 0 form. So whenever 0 by 0 form, you can apply here L'Hospital's rule. Apply L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital's rule. So differentiate this integral. So if you differentiate integral, what do you get now here? Cos of, in the place of t, substitute x square. So x to the power of 4 into derivative of here x square. Derivative of x square is equal to how much you will be getting? 2x. And next x sin x is UV method differentiation. So x into sin x differentiation cos x plus sin x into x differentiation 1. So this is limit extends to 0. Again check. So that means actually 0 into something 0. This is 0. Now actually 0 into something 0 by 0 form only. Again apply L'Hospital's rule. Again if you apply L'Hospital's rule, what do you get? Means actually here see. So limit extends to 0. This is 2 common. Cos x to the power of 4 into x. Cos x to the power of 4. Differentiation of x is 1 plus x into differentiation of cos is minus sin x to the power of 4 into x to the power of 4 differentiation is 4x cube. So upon see x cos x differentiation you need to write. So x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus x sin x plus cos x into x differentiation 1 plus sin x differentiation cos x. Now if you substitute the limit, then what do we get? 2 into here cos 0, right, 2 of cos 0 minus 0 divided by, this will be 0 into something 0 plus cos 0 plus cos 0. See my dear students, cos 0 is equal to 1, 2 into 1 minus 0, 2 upon 0 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 2 by 2. So answer is 1. So first option is the right option. Yes, first option is the right option. So let us move to the fourth question now. So let us move to the fourth question. So what is the fourth question now here? Right. Every inversible function is monotonic function, constant function, identity function, not necessarily actually monotonic function. So every inversible function means, suppose f of x, f dash x must be greater than 0. So here in this case only f dash x is greater than 0. So that's why A is the right option. Every inversible function is a monotonic function. So first option is the right option. Right. So let us move to fifth question now. Fifth question. Right. So this, read the fifth question. The maximum and minimum value of, here f of x is equal to, so mod of 2x plus 1 minus 2 mod of x minus 1 and minus 3. So first, my dear students, first of all, let us write now, for example, here if x greater than 0, first you decide, then what will happen? X greater than 0 means actually 2x, here this becomes 2, function becomes f of x becomes 2x plus 1, this is minus 2 times of x minus 1, minus 2x and plus 2 and minus 3. So 2x gets cancelled, so 0 when x greater than 1. So when you consider actually here 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 means here 2x is equal to negative 1, x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now consider the interval minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x, x less than 1. So at this case actually 2x plus 1 is greater than 1. So now f of x becomes 2x plus 1, but minus 2 of this becomes 1 minus x, minus of x minus 1, and next minus 3. Simplify this one, 2x plus 1 minus 2, so minus into minus plus 2x and minus 3. So this is equal to 2x plus 2x is 4x, right, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. So this function is minus 4. That means we need to write actually an piecewise function. Next, x less than minus 1 by 2 write down. If x less than minus 1 by 2, so x less than minus 1 by 2 means this f of x you can write, so minus of 2x plus 1, and this is minus 2 into 1 minus x and minus 3. So then this becomes minus 2x and minus 1, x less than minus 2, x less than minus 1 means x less than 1 only, it says okay, minus 2x and minus 1 minus 2 plus 2x and minus 3. So minus 2x plus 2x cancel, this will be minus 6. So now this function we can write now rewritten as, remember the function is rewritten as, see like this, f of x equals to, we can write like this, 0 when x greater than 1, this is 4x minus 4 when minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x, x less than 1 is equal to minus 6 when x less than minus 1 by 2. So what we need to find out? Maximum, minimum, that means range we need to find out. Range means this is minimum value, this is maximum value. So therefore minimum is equal to minus 6, maximum is equal to 0. So minus 6 comma 0. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Right. Let us move to sixth question now. Let us move to sixth question. Let us move to sixth question. Okay. See the sixth question. Find the greatest value of the function f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 15x square plus 12x on the interval minus 1 comma 1. So that means we need to find out the greatest value of the function f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 15x square plus 12x. So on the interval, so minus 1 comma 1. Okay. So let us try to find out now. Let us try to find out. So greatest value we need to find out. For greatest value or least value, we need to differentiate it. First, let us find out f dash x. So, derivative of x cube is 3x square. This becomes 12x square. So, minus 30x. Right. F double dash x need not required. So, that means we can write directly for greatest value, for max or minimum, f dash x is equated to 0. So, 12x square minus 30x is equal to 0. So, let us take 6x common. We have 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Right. 12x square, right, f dash x, right, 12x square, 4x, sorry, plus 12, this is 30x plus 12, okay. Now 12x square minus 30x plus 12 is equal to 0, right. Yes, Nana, divide by 4, so 3x square, not 4, 6x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. 6 6 ja 36, so then minus 15 is there, so minus 15 or minus 15, this 2 6 ja 2 15 ja 2 6 ja 6 6 ja 36. Yes, this we can write 6x square minus 12x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, 6x common, we have x minus 2 minus 3 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, x minus 2 into 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 2, you get it, and next 6x minus 3 is equal to 0 means 1 by 2. See, this 2 does not belongs to this interval. 2 does not belongs to minus 1 comma 1. So, only we need to consider x is equal to half. So, that means now we need to find out f of minus 1 value, f of half value, and also f of 1 value. So, that means what is the greatest value, means maximum of f of minus 1, f of 1 by 2, f of 1, we need to write it. So, f of minus 1 means you will be getting minus 4, right. So, minus 15 minus 12, am I right now? So, then what do we get now here? So, that is equal to, you will be getting minus 31. So, f of half means 4 into 1 by 8 minus 15 into 1 upon 4 plus 6. This will be 1 upon 2 minus 15 by 4 plus 6. So, 4 LCM, 2 minus 15 plus 24. So, 26, 11 by 4, this will be 11 by 4. So, f of 1 means 12 plus 4, 8. So, minus 7 you will be getting. Greatest value means among minus 31, 11 upon 4 and minus 7, 11 upon 4 is the maximum value. So, therefore, maximum value is equal to 11 upon 4. So, A is the right option. A is the right option. Okay, I hope you might have got an idea. Yes, Srinivasa Rao, you are doing wonderful. Sivakeshu, right. Okay, let us move to next question. Now. Next question, that is, okay, options are that side, okay, no problem. Options are cos theta plus sec theta plus 1 cos theta minus sec theta. Okay, let us. Options are not necessary, just find options. Okay. Seventh question. This is the seventh question. See, integral. So let me write once again this question. Integral sin cube theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 root over cos cube theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta d theta is equal to, actually what is given, this is equal to tan inverse root k. That implies the value of k in terms of trigonometric ratios that we need to find out. Right. So how to proceed for this problem? Okay, first write down this one. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 2 cos theta by 2. So then what do we get? Let us see. So this is equal to, say I, integral is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Again this sin cube theta by 2 have written sin theta by 2 into here sin square theta by 2. And also you keep 2 here better, by this cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 cos square theta by 2 and root of cos cube theta plus cos square theta plus cos theta. So this is d theta. Clear? I hope this is very clear. See my dear, next we multiplied with 2 also. This is 2 cos square theta by 2. So now this can be written integral of, so again multiply with 2. Okay, 1 by again 2 also write down here, 1 by 2 write down, no problem. 2 gets cancelled, same only. So 1 by 2 times 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, we can write cos theta, sorry sin theta. 2 sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta. Clear? So 2 cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta. Right? So that is under root of, you can write cos cube theta and plus cos square theta plus cos theta. Just simple trigonometric manipulation I have done. Okay, now just remove this one. I'll come back to this one, don't worry. Okay, right. Next, see, now this can be written as, let now say cos theta is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to theta. So dt is equal to minus sin theta d theta. So now this becomes half into integral, right? So this is, instead of, actually you remember one thing, instead of cos theta is equal to what, t, this dt minus sin theta. So sin theta d theta is equal to, you can write dt, but negative dt you will be getting. So minus 1 by 2 write down this is. So this is actually minus 1, or actually you will be getting, this is 1 minus t, or minus write down here, minus 1 by 2 sin theta dt is dt. So 1 minus t, and this is actually 1 plus t. So under root of, you can write t cube, this is t square, this is t dt you can write. Multiply 1 minus t with negative sign, you will get 1 by 2. So integral of t minus 1 upon 1 plus t into under root of t cube t square plus t dt. Right? Understood? So now tell me, what shall we do? What shall we do? Here, now let us take from this one t square common. If you take t square common or t power 4 common, if you take t power 4 common, what do you get it now? So this can be written as, okay, okay, let us take t common. If you take t common, what do you get now here? So half into this is t minus 1 by t plus 1 into t square means t common under root of t square common 1 plus t plus 1 by t. This is dt, you can write. Right? Now divide by t square, divide by t square, divide by t square, what do you get? Let us see. Or one thing, multiply both numerator and denominator with t plus 1 this. So half into this can be written integral of t square minus 1 by t plus 1 whole square into t under root of, see what do you write now here, 1 plus t plus 1 by t dt. I hope it's very clear. Next, let us move to next page. Next page. Okay, next page. So this one, so we need to work it out further. This can be written of integral t square minus 1 by this t plus 1 whole square. T plus 1 whole square is equal to, we can write t square plus 2t plus 1 t under root of 1 plus t plus 1 by t dt. Right. So now divide both numerator and denominator by t square. Otherwise take t square common here, t square common. So half into, if you take t square common, then what do we get? So t square common, you get 1 minus 1 by t square. Okay, take t common here, t square, t into 2 t square. So t common means it becomes t plus 1 by t plus 2 under root of t plus 1 by t plus 1 dt. So t square gets cancelled. So my dear students, remember one thing here. Suppose if you say t plus 1 by t plus 1 is equal to, suppose put again t plus 1 by t plus 1 is equal to something u. What is du by dt? Differentiation of t is 1. Differentiation of 1 by t is 1 by t square dt. So now this is replaced by, this one is replaced by du. So this becomes half integral of 1 upon this t plus 1 by t plus 2, that is we can write 1 plus 1, so that is u. So here this we can write this total part is equal to this becomes actually say u square, nana, u square I have forgotten, better say u square means 2u du, 2u du. Okay, this is 2u du means this 1 by 2 will be cancelled. This we can write u square plus 1 into u. Next du you can write. Now this is u du, u gets cancelled. So now integral of 1 by u square plus 1 is tan inverse u. What is u? U write down. So that is equal to tan inverse of root of t plus 1 by t plus k. T is equal to cos theta. So this we can write tan inverse of under root of cos theta plus sec theta, because plus 1. Given that tan inverse root k, so therefore comparing k is equal to cos theta plus sec theta plus 1. So this is our answer. This is our answer. So like this we need to integrate it. Okay, let us move to next question, is 8th question. So 8th question, right. Okay, 8th question this is. Now this is also integration question, right. Integral of, this is, let me write once again, integral of x to the power of 4 minus 1 upon x square into root of x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. Just think how to integrate it. The first option, x upon root of x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 plus c. Second option, x times root of x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 plus c. Third option, root of x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 upon x plus c. D is none of these. Which is the right option? Okay, so here also from x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1, let us take x square common out. X square common out means x cube we will be getting. So this becomes x square. Again this x to the power of 4 minus 1, you can write x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, let us try to figure it out, this one in the next page. Right, this is the integration. Let us do is try to solve. Say I. So first step, you write down this x to the power of 4 minus 1, x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 write down. So my dear students, from x to the power of 4 x square plus 1, take x square common. Square root of x square is how much? X. So this becomes x cube, right. This we can write under root of x square taken out, x square plus 1 upon x square dx write down. So now split x cube. How to split the x cube? As x and x square we can split. So this we can write now. So again this can be written x square plus 1 by x write down into x square minus 1 by x square write down by root of this we can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx write down. So next step, this can be written integral of x square plus 1 by x is x plus 1 upon x. This is x square upon x square is 1 minus 1 upon x square dx. So okay, upon what do you write now? This is equal to this x square plus x square plus 1 you can write under root of x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1 write down. This is actually x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 only dx. So now say, let us say this x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1 is equal to t. Say t. So dt by dx, differentiation, this is 2 times x plus 1 by x into derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square minus 1 differentiation 0 dx. So that means x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square dx is the part of dt. So there should be 2. So that's why this we can write now of integral of, this is actually 2 times x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. In the place of that we can write dt upon under root of, what do we write now, t. So we have a beautiful formula, integral of dx by root x is 2 root x simply. So this is equal to half multiplied by 2 root t. 2 gets cancelled. So that is root t. What does t stands for? Root of x plus 1 by x whole square. So minus 1. Again this can be simplified now under root of, this is x square plus 1 by x square plus 1. Take x square common, so under root of x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus x square upon x plus constant of integration. This is our answer. This is our answer. See, now go back to the, so this is C is the right option. That is root of x to the power of 4 plus x square plus 1 by x plus constant of integration. Right. Okay, next question. Let us move to 9th question now. 9th question. Right, 9th question. So this is the question. Let me read the question carefully. First of all of you look at the screen. See, without changing the directions of the coordinate axis, origin is transferred to h comma k, so that the linear degree terms in the equation, so that is equation is x square plus y square, so minus 4x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0 are eliminated. Then what is h comma k? So what is h comma k? So that means without changing the directions of the coordinate axis, origin is transferred to h comma k, so that the linear degree terms in the equation have been eliminated. Then what is the value of h comma k? To which point it is to be translated so as to remove the first degree terms? That is the question. See, we have very simple logic. Let us say this is f. Find dou f by dou x, partial differentiation with respect to x. So that means x is the variable, remaining are constant. 2x plus 0 minus 4 plus 0 and minus 0. So this will be 2x minus 4, right. Find dou f by dou y. So partial differentiation with respect to y. So x square differentiation 0, y square is 2y. So minus 0 plus 6 and minus 0. So this is 2y plus 6. So dou f by dou x is equated to 0. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2, right. So dou f by dou y is equated to 0. So 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to minus 6, y is equal to minus 3. So the point to which the origin is to be shifted means h comma k is equal to here. So 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3. So C is the right option. C is the right option. C is the right option. Okay, next question is 10th question. So 10th question. So this is the 10th question, right. Let me read the question. A circle touches the y-axis at the point 0, 4 and cuts x-axis a chord of length 6 units. Then the radius of the circle we need to find out. radius of the circle we need to find out. See, so first let us draw coordinate axis. Right. So x axis, x dash, so y axis and y dash. See, what is the condition? The circle touches y axis at 0, 4. So 0, 4 touches the x axis at 0, 4 like this and cuts x axis. So this is the circle. I hope it's very clear. So that means it touches at y axis 0, 4. This point is 0, 4. Let us say this is the center of the circle. Say O, right? So draw the perpendicular here. Say this point is D. Say this point is D. Say this point is AB. AB is the chord. So AB chord length given, AB is equal to 6 units given. D will be the midpoint, so AD is equal to 3. Right, you join this one, join this one. So join this one. So here this will be 4, right? Am I right now? Here actually radius is radius of the circle we need to find out. Radius of the circle we need to find out. This is actually AD. So this is not radius. You join this one. OA is the radius. Say R. Say R. This will be right angle. So now this actually it touches y axis at 0, 4 means this length is 4. So this is also 4 units. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Pythagorean triplet. So we have using Pythagoras theorem R square is equal to, we can write 3 square plus 4 square. This is 9 plus 16. So 25. Radius of the circle is equal to R is equal to root 25. So answer is 5 units. So C is the right option. C is the right option. Okay, 10th question completed. Let us move to next 11th question. 11th question. Okay, 11th question. See, this is the 11th question. The straight lines y is equal to plus or minus x intersect the parabola y square is equal to 8x in points P and Q. The length of PQ we need to find out. See, the straight lines y is equal to plus or minus x, y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. Both the lines intersect the parabola y square is equal to 8x at different points P and Q. So then the distance between P point and Q point, that is nothing but length of PQ, that we need to find out. So okay, so first draw the coordinate axis. Okay, this is x axis, this is y, sorry, x dash, y and y dash, right? This is the parabola. So vertex is origin only, this origin 0, 0, right? So this is actually y square is equal to 8x, 4ax, right? See the line, this is, see, y is equal to x, y is equal to x passes through the origin only. So next line, this is y is equal to minus x, both passes through the origin. Yes, right. So this is y is equal to minus x, this is y is equal to x. Okay, P point, this point is Q. Distance between P point and Q point we need to find out. First P coordinates and Q coordinates we need to find out. See, y square is equal to 8x say equation 1. First substitute y is equal to x or x is equal to y. So y square is equal to 8y. So y square minus 8y is equal to 0. So y common, y minus 8. So y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8. So that means actually y is equal to x means these coordinates are p coordinates are 8 comma 8. So next y is equal to minus x, say equation 2. Next line is y is equal to minus x, say equation 3. If you substitute x is equal to minus y, you get y square plus 8y is equal to 0. So you get y is equal to minus 8. X will be, so x will be minus y, so x coordinate will be 8, right? So these coordinates are 8 comma minus 8. Distance between these 2 points, that means PQ, we need to find out distance under root of minus 8 and minus 8. So that is nothing but wait, I will tell you. Because x coordinates are equal, distance between the points 8 comma 8, 8 comma minus 8 is modulus of y2 minus y1. So that is mod of minus 8 minus 8. So mod of minus 16. So obviously 16 units. So D is the right option. D is the right option. D is the right option. You might have got that one, right? Right, let us move to next 12th question. So 12th question. Right, this is the 12th question. See the question. In an ellipse, the distance between foci is 6 and minor axis is 2b. See the distance between foci. Distance between foci means 2AE is equal to 6 given. So that means AE is equal to 3, say equation 1. Minor axis means 2b. 2b is equal to 8. So b is equal to 4, say equation 2. Then eccentricity we need to find out. So square the second equation so that we get b square is equal to 16. But we know that since b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, because in ellipse e is less than 1. So now you can write a square into a square minus a square e square, right? A square e square is equal to 16. So AE is 3. So a square minus 9 is equal to 16. So a square is equal to 25. A will be 5. So we need E value. From 1 E is equal to 3 upon A. So that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the eccentricity. So C is the right option. C is the right option. I hope you might have got an idea. Right. Next, let us move to 13th question now. Okay. 13th question. So 13th one. Right. This is the 13th one. So this is direct question. See the equation of the normal at theta. That means at theta means a sec theta comma b tan theta to the curve b square x square minus a square y square is equal to a square b square. divide both sides by a square b square. So if you divide both sides a square b square, what do you get? B square x square by a square b square. So you get x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is nothing but a hyperbola. So that means actually the equation of the normal at p of theta means a sec theta comma b tan theta is directly you can write ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the answer. So ax by sec theta plus by tan theta, ax by sec theta. So what is the answer? You will get it now. Let us try to, that is nothing but ax by sec theta plus by by tan theta. Otherwise you can write this is also correct, c is also correct. Multiply first term with both numerator denominator with a, you can write a square x by a sec theta plus b square y by b tan theta equal to a square plus b square. So C is the right option. C is the right option. Okay, next question is 12th question. Sorry, 14th question. 14th question is very important question. This is the complex number question. The maximum value of mod z plus mod of z minus 1. Maximum of this one. See, we need to make use of this formula. What is the formula? Means actually mod a plus mod b, modulus of two real numbers. Mod a plus mod b is always greater than or equal to mod of a minus b, you can write. So this equal to, you can write mod z plus mod of z minus 1 is greater than or equal to z minus of z minus 1. So greater than or equal to z minus z plus 1. So z cancel, greater than 1. This value is greater than 1 means minimum value is equal to 1. So minimum value is equal to 1. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Right. Next question is 15th question. Let us move to the 15th question. Okay. Today we shall complete up to 15 part 1. In next 15 questions in the next class we shall complete. 15th question. See, this is the question. What is given if sine square alpha into cos square alpha is equal to sine square beta? See what is given. Sine square alpha into cos square alpha is equal to sine square beta given. Say equation 1. Then the roots of the equation. What is the equation? X square plus 2x cot beta plus 1 is equal to 0 are always equal, imaginary, real and distinct, greater than 1. That means nature of the roots we need to find out. So nature of the roots means d, b square minus 4ac, discriminant. So here b square means 4 cot square beta minus 4. Take 4 common out. Cot square beta minus 1. Now the actually cot square beta is equal to, because we need to express in sin square beta. So cot square beta is equal to, we can write cosecant square beta minus 1. So this is equal to, we can write 4 times cosecant square beta minus 2, because minus 1 minus 1. this is, we can write for our convenience, 1 upon sine square beta and minus 2. Now sine square beta is nothing but sine square alpha cos square alpha. So 1 upon this we can write sine square alpha cos square alpha minus 2. So multiply the first term, both numerator and denominator of first term, with 4. Then you can write 4 upon 4 sine square alpha cos square alpha minus 2. See, my dear students, what do you write means actually here? Okay, this is okay. This is sine 2 alpha whole square, sine square 2 alpha you can write 4 into 4 by, this is sine square 2 alpha, this is sine square 2 alpha, 4 minus 2 sine square 2 alpha by, this is sine square 2 alpha. If you observe one thing, sine square 2 alpha is always greater than 0. This sine square 2 alpha lies between 0 to 1. It will be just in lies between 0 to 1 means it is positive, positive by positive. It is always greater than 0. So that means roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. C is the right option. C is the right option. Thank you. We shall meet you in the next session. Bye bye.